Hi girls, how are you? Welcome to our math lesson for today. This is lesson 6, page 452. We're gonna draw angles today. This is drawing angles. Okay, today we're gonna use the protractor to draw angles. Now here are the steps of how to draw an angle. First, you draw a line. Then you identify the vertex that you're gonna start from. You put a point here. Then you bring the protractor and measure the angle. Let's suppose that the angle that you wanna draw has 40 degrees angle. So go to the 40, starting from the 0, 1, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and mark it. Put a point. Here it is. Then hold on the protractor and use it as a ruler to draw the line. Here is your angle. Let's see how is this gonna work on our book. Well, here's a video for you. You can download this lesson, the PowerPoint presentation, and watch the video. Let's look at step-by-step questions. Draw each angle, then classify it. This is an acute angle. Okay, let me have the text one. This is an acute angle. This one here, of course, it's 90 degrees, so it's a right angle. Down here, this is more than 90. It is an obtuse angle. And this one is 85 less than 90. It is an acute angle. Okay, now it's the other part, which is drawing angles. Here we go. Let me erase this one here and bring my protractor tools, math tools, and we have the protractor here. Come on, let's do it. Well, as we said before, we have to draw the side down. Bring the ruler, then draw the straight line. This wasn't straight. Okay. That's it. Then move it and draw the vertex here. Line it with a point. Bring the protractor and put this intersecting point of the center. Yes. Put the center exactly on the center of the protractor. Make sure it is not slided. Just this line here on the 0 is exactly on the line that you draw. Exactly. Yes, here we have. The line is exactly on the line and the vertex is exactly here. The angle that I'm required to draw is 40. So here we go. Count 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. Then put a line here. A point, sorry. Put a point here. Just label it. Then remove your protractor and bring the ruler. I am not able to draw a straight line without the ruler, but you can use the straight side of your protractor. Come on, Mrs. Ruler. Here I am. Okay. Then place the ruler in a way that you will be able to draw a line like this. Bring it. Yes, then draw a line here. Here it is. This is our angle. Well, it's not. Here it should be exactly like this. Well, it's a little bit hard to draw it here, but it's gonna be much more easy when you use your protractor. Here we go. Now we're gonna draw the right angle. Bring the ruler, or you can also bring the straight side of the protractor. Draw a straight line over there. Then bring the protractor and make sure to place it exactly on the edge of the protractor. Then draw the point. I have 90, so here's 90. Draw a point exactly here. Remove the protractor. Bring the ruler. Okay, place it in the correct position. Make sure that you will draw a straight line. Yes, this is, and here put the straight angle. Okay, now it's this turn. So again, bring the ruler, draw a right angle, a straight line, sorry. Draw a straight line now, even though the line wasn't exactly horizontal. So take away the ruler, bring now the protractor. Remember to place it exactly. This is not correct. You have to move it this way. Make sure that it's exactly touching the line. Now here it is. I need the 135. So remember to count from the 0. Where is the 0? Here it is. 0, 10, 20. I want the 135. This is 130. This is 140. But 135 is in between, so it is here. So put a point here. Remove the protractor. Bring the ruler back. Come on, Mrs. Ruler. Yes, here I am. I came. So now then move it like this. Then here we go. Be accurate as much as you can. So not in this way. Okay, it's moving to the other side. Yeah, this is better. Now draw a line to match the point that you draw with the point of the, this is the angle. This is the angle that we need. And this angle also it's gonna be done in the same way that we did the other angles. So these are the tips that you will use to draw an angle. In this question also you're gonna do it in the same way. Measure, draw an angle, then measure it. Here he just said an acute angle, so let's say for example just put it. You'll say, okay, I'm gonna draw the 30. Okay, he did not say a value or a measurement for the angle. So then choose any acute angle. Let's say it's 30, then draw a 30 degrees angle. An obtuse angle. Well, choose any angle which is obtuse. Let's say 100, for example, or you can say 120, 110, 150. It's up to you. Then draw it in the same way that we learned. A right angle, as we just did before here, you're gonna draw it, and a straight angle, and of course this is gonna be the easiest one because it is just about drawing a straight line. This is a straight angle. This is the easiest one. Remember, it's just about practicing. Now let's go here to the next slide. Draw and classify each of these angles. All of these angles are gonna be done in the same way that I taught you. You can go back in the video and watch it and just apply the tips and the steps that we did to draw the angles. Also, this question, draw an angle with a measurement of 154. Draw an angle which has a measurement of 38. Well, I We'll draw those two with you. Here in this question, here we're gonna draw this question. Question 1, the angle 154. The angle 154 here, I will draw it in blue. I'll draw for you here the straight line that you're going to start from, then bring the protractor. Make sure to put this side here exactly, and the line should be exactly the same on the same place. So here we just rotate it a little bit. Yep, here it is. Yes, no, here we are. Then bring the pen, and where is the 154? Remember to start counting from the 0. 0, then 150. This is 115. 154 is here. 101, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, I need the 154 only. So just put a mark and remove the protractor. Then use the ruler to draw a straight line. Here we go. I will draw it using this tool because it is much more easy, or it is easier to use it than using the ruler here. So this is the 154 angle. Now draw the angle DEF, which measures 38 degrees. Remember here to mark it, to label it. It's A. B is in the middle, so B is here in the vertex, and C is here. Never mind if you started with A here, ABC or ABC, since you have to be careful that the vertex here is in the is the letter which is in the middle. Now draw the angle DEF whose measure 38. Just simply draw a line there, then bring the protractor. Come on. You can start from this side or you can start from this side here. Okay, slide it a little bit so it's exactly yes. And where is the 0 here? Yes, 0, 38 is needed. This is 10, 20, 30, 40. No, I need 38, so go a little bit at the book. This is 35, 36, 37, 38. Just put a line. Then you started from this side, so you have to draw a line like this. Here. Go. I will do it with the tool I have here, but you will do it with a ruler. And then here simply, this is the angle that you are drawing. This is 38 degrees. Remember, it's DEF, so D is here, E is in the middle, and F is here. This is all for today's lesson. This is how to draw the angles. It just needs to be practiced more. Just draw more and more angles and you're gonna be good at it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.